Hello, everybody. It is Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome to the Curated Dollhouse. We are in our living room today that is holiday themed. And as you see, we have Mini Fashion Series 2 to unbox for you all today. I am so excited. I have been looking for these since November when they first started showing up, but my local Target has not had them, and I found them today. And I'm super excited because they also had a sale going on that ended today, and I was adamant that I wanted these balls so I could get them on the sale, and I got them, so yay. Okay, so enough about that. We're going to get to the opening. I actually have 4 that we're going to be doing today, but there are a couple of things that I'm going to cover before we get to opening. So number 1, these are Mini Fashion Series 2. As it shows, the packaging is pink. They do have dates on them for those of you who are looking for dates like I sometimes do. This is 8/1 of 22. So some of them probably are all the same date. I haven't looked at all of them, but I'm super excited. We've been waiting for these. It does say 100 plus real fashion bags and accessories to collect. And from what I understand, there should be no repeats, but we're going to see that in a minute. And what else? Nothing. We're going to get to open these because I have been waiting for so long. I have my trusty opener because these zippers do not like me. So we're not going to worry about dealing with the zippers today. And let's see if that worked. And of course, it did not. All right, there we go. Got it this time. Whew. I see so many people opening and having trouble with these. I had huge problems with the first series as well. Very difficult. We'll just leave it at that. They are very difficult to get open, and you got to work with it. But I guess anything worth having is worth working for. So we're going to make it work. Yay. We made it through. Okay, so we're going to... I knew it. I knew it. Tip number, I don't know. Another tip was to shake them. I shook it. This one did not have a lot of movement in it. And we got this beautiful suitcase. And then our accessories. So we're going to hold off on that. And I'm going to take just a quick glance through the collector's guide to see that, yes, it does seem that all of these purses are different. Mini Fashion already has kind of pretty good high quality of items in the first one, but I think they have outdone themselves with this second go round. Very nice. And then I am also going to go through and show you the purses that I just must have and that have been on my radar for these since I started seeing people open them. So first purse is this one. I love pearls. I think they are so elegant. So I want this blue purse that has the pearls on it. I want this red purse that has the pearls on it. This black and white purse, which I think is so elegant and nice. This rose one, I actually just seen someone get a couple of, I don't know, days ago, and I loved it. And since, of course, I didn't have the collector's guide to look at myself, we couldn't see what was coming. So this orange purse is also really nice. And this blue one, and of course I wanted the luggage, but I already have that. So there are only about 4 or 5 purses that are just a have to have for me on this one, even though I am going to be excited about whatever I get, but there you go. So here is the luggage. It is so cute. This one is red. It does open. It has the little handle and actual spinning wheels. Super cute, great size for the dolls. And let's see what accessories we get. So I don't keep none of this paper, nope. So we're gonna rip it open and go from there. So our first accessory is a sticker. I'm not big on the stickers. We also got the yellow bouquet of flowers. I think that is super cute, real nice in the dollhouse. I like having flowers in my own house also. And we got the lipstick and the cute sunglasses. Now these I love. I love that they can bend. I love the white. They have kind of like a cat eye look, but it's very reminiscent to me of like old school Barbie is what I think of when I see these. So these are super cute. So I'm going to try to keep all the purses and accessories together so we know what we got with what. And the sticker, we'll see if it will act right there. You know what? It won't. We're just going to lay it right there. All right. So that was number one. My trusty opener. The second one. Put a little pressure behind this one. Let it know that I mean business. I need you to open properly so we don't have any headaches. Let's see if it works. Probably needed to go all the way around it if I was going to try to do it that way. Yep. Oh, that one was so much easier. All right, we hear extra jingle in this one. Jiggle, not jingle. And there we go. So we have another collector's guide. I think this is the purse. And I believe these are the... No, I think actually this one is the purse. So let's see. Oh, it is. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It has a cute little mirror heart and then like a little wallet attached to the side. It's pink. I'm not a big pink person, but I mean, if you're a Barbie girl, you kind of have to embrace pink. But I think that is so adorable. It's not going to sit up for me. We're going to put that a little bit back there. Okay, and our accessories. I didn't go over the accessories that I really wanted to get because I'm kind of good with whatever, because accessories I think are really nice in this one. So we got the dog. Do not think dogs are accessories. I have 3 at the house, and believe me, they are not accessories. Accessories don't fight with you when you're trying to go somewhere. Your dogs want to take you where they want to go. We got something that fell completely out. Now I'm slightly embarrassed. Let's see. Looks to be a little crown, maybe? Let me get this thing out. We can see it up close. I guess it is a little tiara. Super small and cute. I love the box. We'll have to look at the collector side later on and see pretty much exactly what that is. And we got the little cell phone, which is super cute. A good size for the dollhouse. And it's on the little mini fashion site. It's cute. I can't get it to focus that well. There you go. Yay, that's number 2. Moving on to number 3. So excited, so excited. No. Okay. Y'all keep your fingers crossed that I don't cut myself. But tell the truth, as excited I am about getting these, even if I did cut myself, I probably would not go to the doctor until after this video was done, being honest. Oh, and the sticker. I forgot to look at the sticker on the Owen. So that is the green knotted purse. That is cute. Okay, and again, we have the collector's guide. Okay, this feels like accessories. We're going to open the accessories first. And we got the blue bucket hat. That is so cute. Want to see if it'll fit Miss Renee over here. It's not perfect, but gives you a little 90s old school LL vibe. We'll take that. This is that black and white purse that I really do want. And the other two, another pair of sunglasses. They don't want to come off my finger. And a perfume bottle. Now, I think some of these are supposed to smell. Maybe it's not this one. I don't smell anything, but I think the perfume bottle is so cute. And then now let's open the purse and see what purse that we got. I'm very hopeful that it is one of the ones that I want. Oh my God, it is. There's the blue one, the blue with the pearls. We know we wanted this one. Yay. It opens. Of course, they open. You can put all kind of stuff in here for the doll accessories. And a tip for the dollhouse, what we do in the curated dollhouse is when we have these little purses and we set everything up, we do store stuff in our purses so that it is always available whenever we need to. I usually keep a couple of purses around that are already have stuff in it. So if the dolls are going somewhere, they can just grab their purse and go. But I really wanted this one. So that is check off one of what I want. I like that it comes with the hat and the purse match. That's kind of cute. And then here is our final ball for this one. And I think for the next time, I'm going to pre-cut these if I'm doing an unboxing, because this does slow down the video. Of course, I don't think y'all mind that much, because we are all going to suffer the same problems with trying to get these open, because they are not friendly sometimes, trying to work with them. Oh, see what I mean? Yep, about to cut my whole hand off. All right, that looks a little better. Oh, this ball kind of made me use some of my old Army strength. For those of you who don't know, I am an Army veteran. And one of the first videos that I did for this channel was a Veterans Day haul, because I love to enjoy my Veterans Day because I'm a veteran. It is one of 2 days that I think I've earned. So one is being a veteran, the other one is Mother's Day. And I had a great Veterans Day out. So that first unboxing was from that trip. So this one's kind of tricky, so I can't tell which is which. So we're just going to choose one to open. And we got the purse. It is this cute bag. Okay, so I'm going to be honest. I am a big purse person, but I'm just talking about big purse as in size. So all of my purses, my real purses, I name Bertha. And I love to have a really huge bag. So these are really nice. But I don't know designers and all of that because, one, I'm cheap, and designer purses, unless I can get them on like a 90% discount, probably will not be in my house. And two, designer purses are usually not big enough to carry a full laptop and a couple of Barbie dolls and my billfold and folders and 2 spirals and a couple of books, which is normally what I would probably have in my purse. But I really like this one, even though I'm not big on pink. This is kind of more of a lavendery pink. And again, if you're a Barbie girl, you got to embrace the pink at some point. So there you go. And then let's see what accessories we have in this very last one that we are going to open. So first off, we have the orange bag. Now, we know we said we wanted this one also. We have another dog. Again, not an accessory. We have this one, which I believe, yes, is the little mascara. Actually a really good size for the purses. And then this is one of the accessories that I really did want. So I seen this one opened in a couple of videos. I really liked it. I am a journaler, so having this for the dolls with kind of real paper, it just adds to the storytelling and looks very nice. So that is our mini fashion series 2 haul so far. We got the red luggage, lipstick, sunglasses, and flowers. We got the pink bag, the mascara, the journal, and again, not an accessory. We got a puppy. We got the perfume, another pair of glasses, the blue bag that we really wanted, and the bucket hat, as well as back here, we got the cell phone, the purse. This one was like a little tiara, I believe. And again, not an accessory. But I love this haul. I love this line. The purses, the first series was amazing quality as far as for the purses. I do agree the accessories were nice, they were new, but these accessories do blow them out of the water. There's a lot more realism and realistic items in here. Good size for the dolls, definitely. So in our haul today, if I had to pick out favorites, which I have to, so number one, this blue pearl bag, of course, that is a favorite. That is one of the ones that I've wanted since I first seen it. The journal, because it is absolutely fabulous. The suitcase, and finally, the cell phone. Those are my picks from this haul of the Mini Fashion Series 2, and we will be back with more. Thank you for coming to visit the Curated Dollhouse and seeing me, Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and we're going to be back with more. Bye.